Storm clouds crawling in slow, like they know our secret sin. Sky turning that deep silver blue that pulls the wild out from within.
You brush my cheek with your thumb, heat rising under my summer-kissed skin. And I swear the whole world holds its breath, just waiting for you to lean in.
First drop hits my shoulder, then another down my spine.
Warm rain meeting warmer skin, your body pressed to mine.
Let the thunder say my name. Let the lightning catch the moment when you pull me in again. There's a fire in your touch that the storm can't wash away. God, I love the way you taste when you kiss me in the rain. Wind whispers through the trees like it's begging you to lose control. And every step you take toward me turns the air electric in my soul.
Raindrops dancing on my shoulders, rolling down like they're in on the game. You watch them trace my curves,
And your eyes burn hotter than the flame. The sky opens up above us, but I'm melting from your hands.
warm summer skin and cool rain water. You make a storm feel like a slow dance.
Kiss me in the rain. Let the thunder say my name. Let the lightning catch the moment when you pull me in again. There's a fire in your touch that the storm can't wash away. God, I love the way you taste when you kiss me in the rain. Every drop that hits my body makes your breath hitch just a bit.
And I swear the sky gets darker every time our lips connect.
Storm clouds rolling like a heartbeat, pounding low and pulling you in.
Baby, take me right here in the downpour.
Let the rain baptize our sin. Kiss me in the rain. Let the thunder say my name. Let the world fade out around us till it's only you and flame. Warm summer kiss, skin trembling, begging you to stay. I fall deeper every kiss me